Yeah, I'm glad you could make it. I'm gonna try to do one at least for the next couple nights. Thursday and Friday night I might be kind of busy, so I'm not sure if I'll get a live stream in or not. But we'll definitely do one tomorrow night. Yeah, the fog is moving in. We'll definitely do one tomorrow night, and then hopefully on Wednesday I'll get the scooter out in the afternoon and do the trail. I do have an idea for a different trail that we might check out. I haven't been on it yet though, so it might be an experiment. The fog is rolling through. Yeah, and then Wednesday night also. Well, the rain is starting to pick up. It is. It's kind of like Fern Gully. Is that a Disney movie? I feel like we're in the rainforest right now. Jurassic Park, yeah. A little mixture of both. Yeah, hopefully we don't see those trees moving in the background. Gotta watch out for the T-Rex.